Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called playgroundai.com. Here you can create various images, animals, landscapes, sci-fi things here. So you can see various things in here. It uses artificial intelligence to create all those things. So you can sign up for a free here. Then you can say experiment with different styles that have been applied to your image. So whether you want oil painting, whether you want analog diffusion, you want pixel painting, let's say oil painting. Use a subject like a person at the beginning. So it's asking what do you want to see. You can use a single word or a full sentence. A city with UFO flying and ancient temples with a lot of people and a king. Okay, a city with UFO flying and ancient temples with a lot of people and a king on a sunny day. This is what I'm trying to tell. So describe the details you don't want in your image, like color objects in the scenery. If you have an image already or a drawing, you can use that as an inspiration. So different AI model can produce different or better results, so feel free to experiment. So this is Stable Diffusion, and there is DALL-E 2. So let me put that again. I'm gonna say this doesn't have that. So if I go back to that oil painting, just type in again, and UFO flying over a city with ancient temples with law people and a king on a sunny day. So this is what I want to say. An UFO flying over a city with ancient temples with a lot of people and a king on a sunny day. So image dimensions it's asking. So let me save this out before it goes away. So let me say 10224. That's not there because that pro plan is available only with the pro plan. So quality and details, number of images. Okay, all those things have been mentioned. Now I will say generate image. Now it has started generating the image. An UFO flying over a city with ancient temples with a lot of people and a king on a sunny day. So this is how it looks like. This is an image of an UFO flying over a city. So now if I want to experiment with something like origami or an analog diffusion, let's see. So this is my second image. So now you see an UFO flying over a city with ancient temples. We can get an image like this from here. Now if I use something like DALL-E for this, DALL-E requires a paid subscription. You can buy up to 8,000 images. So Stable Diffusion 2.0, 2.1. So close-up portrait. Let's see what does it do. Now let's see what it does with this close-up portrait. So this is what it generated, and UFO flying over a city. Now if I want to use Stable Diffusion itself with something like a cartoon. Yeah, a cartoon. Where can I see a cartoon? Color pop, cinematic. Let it be cinematic. Or yeah, let it be cinematic. Let's see how does it come up. Now you see. So here you can go and make changes here. Add people to the image. So now it will add people to this image. Do you see people? No, I don't see people here. Add 4 people in the bottom of the image. Let's see. Add 4 people in the bottom of the image. Are they people? I guess there is people. You see, there are a few people at the bottom I can see. So let me try to maximize this and see. You see, let's try to add some people here and there. Now that is how it works. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.